quite give in. I'm storming, breaking like the tide. Every time a bit busy.
Guys, I'm going in to get a hair trim. It's long overdue.
Bit busy. I close my eyes and feel the fizzy. I'm standing waiting.
Welcome everyone. I was waiting to get my hair appointment. I booked online, but just a couple blocks away there was a really pretty park. So I went over there and took a few pictures, and the bees were out. It was a beautiful day. But I hope you'll enjoy my content. I'm not a professional, but I'm having fun trying.
Right here in this alley, and be closer to home.
We had some visitors, the grandkids. My brother stopped over one day, brought us 2 bags of mulch, and I'm pretty sure we can find space for them somewhere. I don't know if you guys remember our massage chair. My husband got me a couple years ago for a Christmas present, but it ended up breaking, and I contacted the manufacturer, the Osaki, and they asked me what was wrong and everything, so they sent a tech out to try to fix it, but the remote was all wacky, and I mean it was glitchy, and so they sent us a new one. And after I worked about 20 hours in the garage, I had enough room for the chair, so when they brought it, I put it in the garage, and it works perfectly. I just don't know if we're going to keep it. It's pretty big for our living room, and I don't know. I kind of wanted 2 side chairs, but we'll see. But it was really neat. I'm really very impressed with Osaki chair company, and they sent a different color because the other one they were out of, so they sent this one, but I like it better anyway. It's pretty cool. But yeah, it has really nice speakers on each side, and it's comfortable. This is the before I clean the garage and after, but actually I have another picture here. Ta-da! My husband and I went and picked up this desk on the left there from somebody, and I plan on replacing my husband's desk because it's too short. But as we were getting the desk, we drove by this carpet place, and I'm kind of the crazy carpet lady and love white carpet, so I just threw it in on the garage floor. I might have other plans for out there too, but for now, the chairs out there and the desk I'm going to repaint. Instead of an egg salad sandwich, I made myself some Spam and egg salad. It was really good. And I made some rice. I made the rice, but then it was too much rice, so I added a couple cans of carrots and peas, and it was really good. My brother stopped over to bring us some mulch. He had extra. He gave it to us. So I gave him a container like this of rice, and he said it was really good, so I'm really glad he liked it. Speaking of my brother, he took a picture of this church, and I think he said he added the background, you know, the sun. But anyway, I really liked it, and I was in the mood to paint stained glass windows, so I I tried to duplicate his church, and I did my stained glass windows. I'm not quite done yet. I have some more work to do on the grass, but other than that, it's pretty much done.